In this video, I'm going to be talking about the merge and expand merge features within inside of Project Spec 5. In this example, I just have 7 lines, and we're going to call this a typical. You can see I have different quantities. So I'm going to save this as typical office and close this. If I start a new project, I can merge that project in as one file. So I'll select typical office and select open. You'll see I get a quantity of 1, typical office.pmx, and over under the totals you'll see all of the basically subtotals for that whole office. I can change the quantity to 2, which is going to expand every product inside of that by a factor of 2. So at this point, if I do the expand merge, you'll see instead of quantities of 6 and 7, I now have quantities of 14, 12, 2, and 4. The other thing I can do is I can merge that in multiple times. In this instance, maybe I want that office 2 or 3 different times, but I want to tag it differently. So I can say office 1, office 2, and office 3. Now with a quantity of 1 each, but adding the tagging in there, when I expand merge, you'll see that my quantities come in as the original quantities, but I now have 21 records instead of my 7 because each one expanded once and tagged it automatically with that expansion. One thing to note, if a tag exists inside of that file that you're merging in, the tag on the file itself will take precedence over anything you add on the outside. So in other words, if I had added, let's say, tag 1 as phase 1 inside of the file, the original file, and I put office 1, 2, and 3 on the outside before I merged it, the phase 1 would have taken priority and stayed as that tag 1.